Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max GPU. To begin, understand that maximizing your graphics processing unit's potential significantly enhances performance in demanding applications and games. First, identify any system bottlenecks, such as an outdated central processing unit or insufficient random access memory, which can prevent your graphics card from reaching its full capacity. Then, ensure your operating system and applications are configured to prioritize graphics performance. This foundational step is crucial for unlocking the full power of your hardware. Next, focus on software optimization. Always update your graphics drivers to the latest stable version provided by the manufacturer. This alone can yield significant performance improvements, sometimes up to 15%. Adjust in-game or application settings by reducing demanding options like shadow quality or anti-aliasing if you experience frame rate drops. Furthermore, close all unnecessary background applications as they consume valuable central processing unit and random access memory resources that your graphics card could otherwise utilize for peak performance. Hardware considerations are equally vital for achieving maximum graphics processing unit usage. Ensure your system has adequate cooling, as thermal throttling can severely limit performance, potentially reducing clock speeds by 20% or more. Verify that your power supply unit provides sufficient wattage for your graphics card, typically requiring at least 600 to 750 watts for high-end models. An underpowered supply can lead to instability. Regularly clean your computer to maintain optimal airflow and prevent dust buildup, which impedes cooling efficiency. Finally, explore advanced techniques and continuous monitoring. Consider carefully overclocking your graphics processing unit for additional performance gains, but proceed with caution and research. Implement custom fan curves to maintain optimal temperatures under heavy load, preventing performance degradation. Utilize monitoring software to track real-time metrics like utilization, temperature, and clock speeds, ensuring your graphics card operates within safe and efficient parameters. Understanding these figures helps you fine-tune settings for the best possible experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.